Hi everyone. Today I will talk about installing mHM latest version 5.11.1 in a Linux cluster that is especially based on the supercomputers in UHEM. So once you get the latest version, that is 5.11.1, you can download it as zip. I already have it. Be careful with that. Not developed. There are older versions. You download 11.1. Okay? And then in your downloads, you will see this zip file. When you uninstall that, you get this folder. I have the executables, but forget about that. We will reinstall it in Linux environment. These are with Cygwin executables. What we can do is remove them and uninstall again. mHM, there are older versions, but I'm interested in this one. So now I should have a clean version, nothing inside. All right. So in the local, it's here. What about in the server, the Linux server? First of all, you need a VPN, open VPN, to log into the UHEM system. You will get your user credentials, and then you will receive those with email, and it will be green. So once you look at again, it's green, and you are logged into the system safely. And with this hostname sariyer.uhem.itu.edu.tr with your username port 22, you log into the system with again a new credential. The VPN and the other one will have different passwords probably. You should be careful. So there are different machines, and if you want to see the status of the machines, you can check. Each row shows a different machine. You have the English versions are here, free course, total course, resource waiting. So there are some free slots here, and you can run maximum 7 days, maximum 1 hour, maximum 21 days, 7 days, 733, 77. So and the core per node, 28 cores, 40 cores, and gigabyte. If you are dealing with big climate data, you can use this big memory. If you are testing a short one, short queue, usually def queue, and I usually use core 40Q. You can check which one is available. Well, this is the terminal. Here you should see your place in a short while. It's working. It's here. I have older versions. Now I want to use Well, no problem. As you see, you can't find. You need to check C users and download via here. And 5.11, the same. 5.11 point is here. So first, you need to upload this to your place in sariyer machine. It's uploading, and soon it will appear here. Meanwhile, you can have a look at the steps here. Once you log into the sariyer machine via SSH, you will go to the folder. Your username will be different. I guess it's completed. Alright, there are different ways. Here is the place where you need to change directory from the terminal. This is file exchange part. CD. We are there. Let's see. We don't have a build subfolder that we should create a build subfolder. If there's build, remove, recursive, you can remove it. And then again create a make build, make directory, build. So again, ls build is created, and these modules are obligatory, especially CMAKE 3.12 at least, and HDF, NetCDF, Parallel Studio because of OpenMP case, and Fortran compiler. We will show you Intel Fortran compiler, and the CMAKE. Now we don't have a make option in mHM. We just follow first CMAKE, and in this one you need to indicate different options like in Fortran compiler and the MPI off and OpenMP on. This is very important for parallel runs, and build type release, not the debug. Okay. Module purge will delete all the modules that is available. Module list will show you what you have already. Only uhem-bin. Okay. And if you look at here, module available or just avail will show you which precompiled tools are available here. So Intel Parallel even 19, the latest is this one. HDF5, I use this one, and NetCDF, I use this one, and then we don't have CMAKE 3.12 here. Yes, maybe this may work, but I tried, it didn't work nicely. It should be at least 3.12. That's why you load a new module, and then module avail will show you extra things here. What we were searching for, CMAKE. CMAKE, you see, we have it here. That's why your module load after this 11 modules, extra modules. All right. let's get those. Yes, and then the CMAKE. I show it to you. I will take it here. Be careful that we have two dots at the end. That the CMAKE file list will be written in the upper folder. We are in, oh, wait a second. We are not in build folder, subfolder yet. Okay, it's empty. These are location free. It's not important that you load to your profile, not to the folder. Is writing CMAKE, making CMAKE with these options inside build subfolder is very important. You see now Intel compiler 18.0.3 blah blah will be used. It's checking your system configurations and checking different flags. Well, probably these are not working and not necessary. Maybe I can make a new one and shorten it. Or just remove because it's giving the problem. Just a warning, but still you may just use this one maybe. So what you need to do, you go upper, you remove build folder, you create build folder, you go to build and CMAKE clean, there's nothing, okay. Make clean exists, but CMAKE clean maybe doesn't exist. All right, we repeat this part, take it out here. Let's try this one, if it will be cleaner. Yes, success here. MP5. Yes, that's even better. And then you just need to do is executing make. So it will take until 100%, and then it will be done. I had quite a few times having headache about the CMAKE version. There were several mistakes with core dump, and I noticed that CMAKE version 3.15 was not compatible with that one. That's why I had email correspondence with the authorities in UHEM, and they recommended these two lines. It's compiling our Fortran codes here using Intel compiler, and hopefully in a couple of minutes we will have the executable ready for test run. It's fast. isn't it? So while it's working, let's repeat the steps. First of all, you Google GitLab mHM. Once you find it in Google, it will first find your develop folder. This will have not a stable one, it's the latest is developed. When it is released with new tech, you can download the latest, yes, and then you can download either from this extension. Zip is fine, and then it will be in your downloads folder. This is in your local. You need to unzip it and send it to the server, this one, and you will get the address from here and paste it here, and the rest you can use these steps. When I upload this to YouTube, I will also make this available in the description of the video. So no worries, you don't need to write step by step. Even when you say module avail in the terminal, you can manage to find the versions and then use it. Hopefully it will end soon. It's 90%. If you have any questions, you can write it in the comments. Yeah, mHM eval F9, it took quite a long time. we can use some remarks on the versions or the configuration. If you are not interested in parallel runs, which will really increase the runtime, you should not state here on, it should be off. mHM itself has OpenMP technology or architecture, so you should benefit from that option. And as you see, we are all set now, and inside build subfolder we have a green executable. It's not exe, be careful, it's Linux. So what you need to do is copy this folder, this file, mHM file, to the upper level, outside build folder. And you go also upper level. CP is copy. And let's see if we have mHM here. Yes. The name lists are next to that. That's fine. And the test domains are here. So hopefully, since it's green, if not green, you need to give executable right with X mHM, something like that. You need to check the rights. So it has X, no issues. Green color is okay. And let's see if it will run. You see the speed. One trick here, you should check it if OpenMP is working. You see run with OpenMP. So if you look at here, updated, mHM is here. You can take it to other places, other folders where you need to run it. And that's it. This is an introductory video for compiling mHM in UHEM Linux server. It's a special case for ITU members. Thank you very much for watching this, and good luck with mHM. That's an excellent program.